This is Tammy. I wanted to do a real quick video here on how I made $6,000 with my email portal. So what you're looking at here is an email that I pushed out through my email portal, and it's very, very easy because I have access to my back office where I just log in and then I send out an email for people, and I'll actually show you the actual email portal. So with other systems, you have to figure out all the emails, how to send out emails, and so one of the biggest things with a system, a digital marketing system, is that most people forget who you are if you do not email them and follow up with them. So you don't have to worry about that here, because with Get Fearless Freedom, I'm actually essentially doing that work for you. For lack of better explanation, I try not to say it's a lazy way to riches, but if the only thing you have to do is advertise your website, and then I email, and then I also close your sales, and that's it, then man, I'm telling you, it's a very simple system. So go ahead and check the link below. Go ahead and check out the 7-minute video. It's going to do the explaining. And then you'll get on my list. And of course, you can always unsubscribe anytime. There's a big link right there. This is all compliant. But what you can do is you can go to GetFearlessFreedomNow.com. You can see why $2,000 really makes a big difference in people's lives, and it does in mine. So I've had this system for over 5 years now, and I just keep improving it. So I had a $300 level, and then I increased it to $500, and then $1,000 last year, and then $2,000 last year. So I'm adding on to my callback team this spring, when we have the what we call the home-based business explosion. So you never have to worry about it. I'm always able to keep up with callbacks. I can do many callbacks during the day. So I am one of the co-founders of Get Fearless Freedom. No, I did not program it. I do not have the techie ability in order to program a back office, okay? But I do have the sales video, which of course I put together, and my son helps me with the presentation, and then my programmer, he actually put this together. So we have specialized training back there. If you're wondering, well, where do I actually go? I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you. This is my back office, okay? I'm going to log in, and I'm going to show you one of the best ways is actually where you're looking at right now, YouTube. And I have a full YouTube training, okay, step by step right here. And it's a YouTube success step-by-step training. So if you actually subscribe to my channel, you will get updates whenever I upload a video. So I teach people step by step in this guide right here on how to create a YouTube channel. So that's very easy. I do have live trainings as well, but a lot of people can't make them, So we have this obviously 24/7 access. Now, if you do want the 2000 level, you'll get access to the video vault right here. And we do we do trainings for the elite members. Now, if you do want the bonuses, it is a 24-hour bonus. So if you do watch the video, and I can always tell when a person, visits my website because I see the email. But if you do want a 24-hour bonus, I do have those available. And we've sent out over 9 laptops now, which is super cool, because a lot of times people do not have a computer, they just have a phone. And so we actually have physical laptops that we ship out, and that is at the top level of Get Fearless Freedom. So again, this is the video. You'll go here, you'll see the Vegas video, and then you'll click here to join once you choose your level. And you'll see all the products on the page. We have an explanation right through here. And of course, my video is not showing that, but you'll have the Supreme Freedom, the 1000, and of course, the Freedom Elite at the 2000 level. So let's make it a great year. We are exploding, and we're so busy. I just want you to experience the time freedom that you get with a system like this. The results are based upon your efforts. I can never state any income guarantees. I can only show you and share with you what we've done since relaunching, and it's been a great ride. So anyway, my name's Tammy, the Fearless Mama. Please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell when you do get this notification, so you get my notifications. Okay, have a great night. and I'll see you on the next video.